The transformative experience of being a NOAA teacher at sea deeply impacts educators, and the program doesn't end once they step back on land. The Teacher at Sea Alumni Association brings alumni together to share their experiences, both from their time at sea and from their individual classrooms.
Teacher at Sea is definitely one of the most unique professional development experiences that any teacher could go through. The collaboration that comes out of as a result between teachers, between professionals, it is tremendous.
These new bonds build a network, connecting classrooms throughout the region and utilize resources that may not have been known or readily available to them beforehand.
I didn't know any other Teacher at Sea alumni or anyone else who had done the program before, but today I was able to connect with teachers that teach in districts really close to mine, and it would be really easy for us to get together and collaborate.
This really gives me an opportunity to see other professionals and other science teachers, get ideas, and reach out beyond, not being that isolated place of being just in an elementary school, and get other ideas from other science teachers to bring back to that school.
Through professional enhancement opportunities, they make personal connections that lead to future collaborations.
Coming together and learning from each other, and then being able to go back and share is what's really important.
It's a really great organization. I find that this is probably one of the best professional developments I've ever had in terms of meeting with the teachers, and I can't wait to see what the new teachers that join us from the most recent cruises have to bring to the table.
Professional enhancement, collaboration, and connection. The NOAA Teacher at Sea Program and Alumni Association.